Things are changing every day. The excitement's in Newfoundland and everywhere. This is the first place. Sears has so many sides. Come see the many sides of Sears.
Hey guys, welcome to Sears' Final Days. I took this footage on multiple visits in the final weeks of operation, all the way up to the very last day. On the last couple days, it was ridiculously busy for what was left on the shelf, but there were lots of people coming to pick up the fixtures they purchased. Well, this is the footwear department, and you can see outlines on the floor from where display cases have already been removed. Let's head downstairs, where there was quite a bit of furniture left. Unsurprisingly, I suppose, considering their high prices even with their deep discounts. The rest of the lower floor was cleared out completely. Their vacuum department was one of the first areas to be cleared out. Take a look at that impressive roster of floor models. It was almost surreal to walk around a completely empty appliance section. These pallets of old POS systems were a trip. It kind of shows just how antiquated the Sears system actually was. The upper floor was cleared out of merchandise very early on. Upstairs, they only had fixtures for sale. heading into, at one point in history, what was one of the most iconic tool sections of any store. The Craftsman brand was the pinnacle of American-made tools. Okay, so believe it or not, there were some price tags on those dirty showroom mattresses. And surprise, surprise, they were still available for sale on the final day. Nothing to see here, just a nicely organized shelf of headless babies. I was honestly obsessed with these mannequins. It's like an army of limbless monsters just waiting for their time to strike. So they set up these tables for people to write their goodbyes to Sears, but there were just as many rude comments as there were farewells. In the end, they'd even blocked off change rooms with something that looks like police tape. I was super curious to know what was back there. So this was my absolute favorite. Among all the fixtures, they were trying to sell these old used irons from the tailor department. When I went back on the final day, they were still for sale. I really should have bought one. I don't know why I didn't. We're pretty much winding down now. Just a few more glances on the main floor. I gotta say, as dirty as these carpets were, they weren't that much cleaner when Sears was operational. Well, that's it, Sears' final days. A lot of work goes into these videos, so if you enjoyed it, please consider giving us a like, or even subscribing. And why not check out some of our other videos, mostly about the greatest indoor show on earth. West Edmonton Mall. Oh, and thanks for watching.